Okay, for a 1972 Maserati Ghibli, we just completed the restoration of this Vitaloni combination switch, one of the more rare versions of Vitaloni switches, and infamous in that the three separate pods all use a polished copper penny, essentially, as a contactor. And when the switch arms are moved, they have a little fan on them that has ball bearings in between the fingers of the fan that raise and lower that penny to make them contact 1, 2, or 3 conductors. That very unique system, never used again, only on the Ghibli, Bora, Kamsen, Merak, and some Bora switches. So we've gone through and put new nylon, selective center nylon, coated in UV-proof black POR 15 urethane on all the arms, re-electroplated them in zinc, polished all the knobs. This particular switch didn't have all the components he needed to put a switch back together completely. He was trapped by the infamous Alfa Romeo switch, which can be converted, and that's for another video. We can show you about that. But this is an original equipment Vitaloni switch, and now Steve, who has spent 5 days on this switch, which is what it takes to do it, is now about to test this. How are we going to start this test?
Low beams, headlight.
Okay. So what we've got here is 2 quartz halogen bulbs that do a total draw of about 9 amps, far more than the switch will ever see. And
okay, now on high beams.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, and let's see, what else is there on this thing? Okay, small red.
The thing that makes this switch hard to convert from other switches is that it has extra. Oh, there's that push button, and there's one of the extra accessories that activates a relay somewhere that switches from town horn to country horn on the headlamp arm stock.
Gray. Okay.
And there's the pull function.
Yeah.
Operates in all positions of the headlamp arm for your get out of the way horn lights, they call them sometimes.
Okay, that completes the headlight.
All right.
Now we're on turn signal, left or right, I don't know, but we'll find out. Yep. Looks like left.
Right, and the mechanical mechanism pops them back.
Well, I just can't quite see that.
Right. Go in that direction.
There we go, now you can see it. Okay, and other way is right.
The other direction on the turn signals. The turn signal, not the headlight.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. All right. And there's the other direction. I should mention the complication inside of this switch pod is beyond reality. The cancellation mechanism, kind of springy plastic. We have other videos that show those, the complexities of those. Now, are you on the wiper side?
Well, to do the wiper, yeah, let me see. Black. Black. It's here. I don't know what we've selected, but we'll find out.
Okay, that's the off position, which is on because what it does is sends the signal to the wiper clock motor, and it continues to supply power there in the off position until the clock motor turns the wipers off in their park position.
Okay.
And that's high speed. All right. And now you've selected low speed, so it should light up immediately upon plugging that one in properly. And yes, indeed it does. And the other side is, yeah, so it is the low beam. All right. I mean low speed. Yes.
Okay, and then
2 more functions on this switch arm.
Full function.
Of course, this is the screen washer, which works in all 3 positions of the arm.
And twist knob.
This twist knob is interesting because it's the same as the 308 knob, except the 308 knobs, Ferrari knobs, they have light insignias and graphics on the knob. This particular switch fit both upside down Australian cars as well as made for export American cars. So there are no graphics on that knob. And that is correct. So that concludes the test.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for watching. And James, we'll send this video to you. It's on the way. Better than original. Thank you.